Hi guys, in this video I will show you 3 ways to connect a JBL headphone to your PS5. And yes, you must not get a Bluetooth adapter for you to be able to do this. So even though PlayStation does not currently support third-party Bluetooth headphones, one of the 3 solutions I'm going to be showing you in this video will work out for you. And just to test things out, if I go ahead and just move to the Crew game over here and then proceed to put my mic on the headphones, you're going to hear the audio coming from the headphones. Okay, so for the first and easiest method, which is actually cost-free as well, for this method we are going to be using the remote play feature. So get your PS5 controller and then you want to navigate to the settings icon on the top right hand side. Go ahead and select that, and from the settings you want to scroll all the way down until you get to system settings. Select that as well. Now continue to scroll down until you find the remote play feature on the left hand side. Go ahead and select that, and then make sure that you tap on enable remote play and toggle on the remote play feature on your profile on this page. You can as well choose to toggle everything on if you have multiple users. Now once you've done this, you want to come out of it, go back to the main menu. Then you want to scroll to users and accounts over here, select that, then scroll all the way down to orders, select that as well. And then here that we have console sharing and offline play, select that and make sure that this is also enabled. Now once you've done all of this, you're good to go. Finally, at this point, you want to go ahead and get your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone, and then you want to just navigate to the App Store or Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. And then from the App Store, just locate the Remote Play app and download it. And here you're going to see the PS Remote Play app. You can see it over here. Just select on it and make sure you download and install it into your iPhone or Android phone. Once the app is installed, you can open it up directly from here. Sign in to your PlayStation account, particularly the same account that you have enabled the remote play feature for. I'll go ahead and enter my account info. Okay, I am now signed in. So the next thing you want to do is to just tap on the confirm and continue, click on OK, and you're good to go. Now you want to select your PS5. So click on your PS5 from over here. It should now be connected to your PS5. And as you can see, this is basically my PS5 screen and the audio is actually coming from my phone. So at this point, what you want to do is to basically just turn on the Bluetooth of your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone. You can navigate to the control center and then make sure that Bluetooth is turned on from over here. You can as well go over to your Bluetooth settings if you want to and get your JBL headphones, then proceed to turn it on and put it on pairing mode. The way you put it on pairing mode might be different, but basically in my case, I'll just go ahead and long press on the power button over here to turn it on and it should automatically go into pairing mode. You can see the light over here blinking, and on your phone, you basically just want to connect to your headset. So I can turn off my Bluetooth, turn it on to search for my JBL headphones or headset, then select on the wireless from over here, give it a couple of seconds. Now it is now paired with my JBL headphones, and all I just have to do now is to go ahead and open up the PS Remote Play app again, connect to my PS5, and once it is connected, all of the audio and sound from your PS5 will be coming from your headset. And if I scroll over to one of the games over here like the Crew and then just put my mic, so you're going to hear the audio coming from the headphones. So you can see that this works absolutely well. You just have to make sure that when using your PS5, you're actually using the actual account which you're actually signed in on the Remote Play app on your phone as well. But if the first method is not a very good one for you, another option you can try if your PS5 is actually connected to a TV is to directly connect your JBL headphones to the TV. Now this is not a very good option if you're connected to like a monitor, because most monitors do not have Bluetooth feature. But if you're connected to a TV, then there is a high chance you already have the Bluetooth feature on your TV, and all you just have to do is to get your TV's remote control and then press on the settings icon or menu button on your TV. Now once you press on it, you should be able to get to the Bluetooth settings from under the connection or connectivity settings. In my case, it is under the more settings over here. My Bluetooth settings is literally under the remote and accessories option. So just locate your Bluetooth settings. Once you find it, just make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and in my case over here, to turn it on, I just have to tap on the add accessories option to turn on the Bluetooth, and now the Bluetooth is searching for available devices. You also want to make sure that your JBL headphones or headsets are already on pairing mode as well. So you can go ahead and put it on pairing mode by turning it on or long pressing on the pairing button, and now you can just select on your JBL headphones with your TV's remote control. Give it a couple of seconds and your JBL headphones will be connected to your TV directly, so you can now get the audio from your PS5 directly into your Bluetooth headphones, and this works absolutely well as well. The final option is for you to get Bluetooth adapters like this one. I'm going to be leaving a link to some of these Bluetooth adapters in the description of this video that work pretty well. With a Bluetooth adapter like this, all you just have to do is to connect it to any of the USB ports on your PS5. It usually comes with a button at the back of it, which you can just long press to put it on pairing mode, and you're going to see the light on it flashing. Once you connect it to your PS5 console, go ahead and put your JBL Bluetooth headphones on pairing mode as well, and then just allow both devices to stay close to each other and they should automatically connect. And trust me, this also works pretty well without any problem. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.